Hey guys, welcome back. In this episode we will make probably one of the most delicious meals ever. A classic bone marrow on toast, which is amazing combined with a succulent steak. So sit back, relax and enjoy. We have this beautiful bone section, which we left in salted water overnight to get rid of the blood. We just tap it dry and we season it with some sea salt and ground pepper. Just take a moment and hit that like and subscribe button. It means a lot to us. When done, we start grilling them. It takes roughly 20 minutes and we cover them with aluminum foil to be sure it gets smoky, and it also helps with the cooking process. While they are cooking, we clean and slice a few cloves of garlic for our garlic butter. For this we need just 3 ingredients: the sliced garlic, some butter, and the chopped parsley. We melt the butter and we add it on top of our bread. For the exact amount, check the description below. When our toasts are done, we add the bone marrow. These two together are a perfect combination. We will top this as always with a perfectly cooked ribeye steak infused with the garlic butter that we made earlier. If you didn't try this, then you don't know what you're missing. If you enjoyed our video, then feel free to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. See you on the next one.